James Gairdner had the foresight to say these awards will recognize the very best in the world. And there's not many times a Canadian award is given to the best in the world. He had two objectives: to recognize excellence in biomedical and medical research, and number two was to inspire the next generation of scientists.
He was never a boastful man, but like I said, he figured l'audace, toujours l'audace. If you're going to do something, go for it, all out. Where he gives the founding statement for the foundation, he said the most important phrase in there was he wanted these awards to contribute, I'm quoting, to the relief of human suffering.
Here we have a Canadian foundation that has been successful in recognizing the world's most outstanding science and scientists in the biomedical sphere, often long before the Nobel Prize committees come to the same conclusion.
We had a science culture program across Canada. We started early in the 80s, a bit more in the 90s, and after 2000 we increased the number of universities where our winners went or past winners came, spoke to faculty, high school students, to the public from time to time. And gradually that program expanded to over 20 universities and cities across Canada.
I gave my scientific lectures to colleagues, but also was very important to talking to the high school students. And I found that very stimulating, that these high school students really were very motivated with the things I told them.
I think the week I spent in Canada visiting various institutions and speaking to different scientists and connecting with the high school children was one of the most rewarding experiences. Sharing our work with them and seeing their excitement, seeing how engaged they are, and it just makes you feel good. It makes you feel the world will be okay. They're going to be young people. When I'm long gone, they're going to do great work, and that's fantastic.